Alright guys, I'm here in the Acura TL, and as you can see the maintenance required light is on, and I'm doing this at night because I got to give the car back, and my car is actually getting fixed right now. I got the cam gear, what is it called, the variable valve timing cam gear rattle in my Lexus. But anyways, we are going to reset that maintenance required light, so let's get started. Alright guys, I'm gonna do this with my camera light on, but so first we want to turn off the car. Okay guys, so the car is off. I'm gonna have to prop the camera because I have to hold down these buttons and put the car in the on position. Alright, so first I'm going to press these and then put the car in the on position. One turn, you see nothing turns on. Don't mind that sound, that's my tape deck. Another turn, and this is the accessory on position. Okay, that cleared it. So it's actually pretty easy. You hold down these two buttons when your car is off, so select and reset, and then you turn your ignition. You don't have to turn the car on, just to when all the accessories turn on. Watch, I'll do it again. So one turn, you see nothing turns on. Another turn, and this is the accessory on position, and you will be holding these buttons. And I actually missed the message. Actually, I don't know if this card displays the message because my phone fell down. But anyways, and then I held it for about like 10 seconds, then I turned on the car, and yeah, the maintenance required light is off. And this is really silly, but the reason I did this at night is because I have a thing with numbers, and I saw the 777 here, and you know, I just wanted the 777 in my video. And tomorrow I got to return this car because I'm probably going to be driving my Mustang, and my mom needs this car back. So anyways, thanks for watching guys. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.